The figure shows a section of human ovary. Select the option which gives the correct identification of either A or B with function or characteristic. Option A, B, corpus luteum secreted progesterone. Option B, A, tertiary follicle forms Graafian follicle. Option C, B, corpus luteum secreted estrogen. Option D, A, primary oocyte, it is in the prophase 1 of the meiotic division. So here diagram is shown, and this is the diagram of section of human female ovary. Now the human ovary or the female gonads, it is the site formation of ovum. So the outer region mean peripheral region is cortex and inner region is medulla. So let's see now what is happening in this diagram. Now let's see what is happening here. So this structure A is primary follicle because these are surrounded by only single layer of follicular cell. Now this primary follicle further divided into two secondary follicle which is characteristic by more number of follicular cell and the form theca. Now the secondary follicle develop where cavity form is tertiary follicles. Now the tertiary follicles mature after make Graafian follicle. Now these follicle, from this follicle the secondary oocytes along with layer of zona pellucida. Now this process is called ovulation. Now the part of follicle, it means inside the ovary, it will convert alloys structure where the cavity have same blood clot and carotene pigment. Now these structure represented by B. These structure are corpus luteum, yellow body. So after ovulation, the Graafian follicle changing into the yellow structure which are known as corpus luteum and act as an endocrine gland. It means it is the secreted a hormone progesterone which is the pregnancy hormone, and it maintain endometrium and also present here little amount of estrogen. It means I can say that here two hormones secreted by corpus luteum. So here A option is correct because diagram here represented B is corpus luteum and secreted progesterone. So both statements are correct. If we look further, A is tertiary follicle, so this wrong because A is primary follicle. Then C is corpus luteum secreted estrogen, this is true but in very little amount of, so incorrect. Option D, A is primary oocyte, so A is not primary oocyte, A is whole structure where a primary oocyte surrounded by layer of follicle cell. So D also incorrect. So in this question correct answer A.